is exactly like what I got in Istanbul or Ankara streets or restaurants. It's exactly like that. Tastes exactly like that. And you get it in USA, which not much Turkish food in USA. So that was absolutely great. Hello. Today is another day, another Sunday, another fun day. We're here together again with different type of food, different good recipe and delicious recipe of keto, low carb food. Before everything, I just wanted to thank you all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here. Finally, we reached to 100 subscribers. Just yesterday, I was looking at my channel and then 100 subscribers. Thank you. Our goal is going high. Thank you for being here in my journey. Thank you. So today I decided to go with different type of food. It's called lahmacun. Is a Turkish pizza. Is a traditional Turkish pizza which is very famous in Turkey. It's very delicious, and I was looking for like keto friendly bread or tortillas, and I had it like in our previous videos, and we're making them. But finally I found them in one market, in one grocery store, which was Walmart. Walmart, they brought it, I'll show you here, they brought it keto friendly tortillas. So that's so time saving. So we're gonna use this. Now on, I'm gonna use it. I searched other stores from Whole Foods to like Ralph to Vons to all these stores. I couldn't find it. They had like a keto bread, but not tortilla. I'm using the tortillas in this pizza, in this traditional pizza, Turkish pizza. So I'm using this, and the rest is going to be very easy, and I'll show you in here with all mixing here. So without further ado, let's go here. See you. Okay, so the ingredients that I'm going to use and mix them together is first is a bunch of parsley, and then a medium-sized onion. I'm chopping it to small pieces and I'm putting it in a mixer. And 4 pieces of garlic, and I have red bell pepper, so I'm using the whole red bell pepper in the ingredients, mixed ingredients. And then I have 2 small tomatoes. I'm putting the tomatoes. Okay, good for now. Let's mix them. Okay, now I can put my spices in it. Before any spice, I will put 1 spoon of tomato paste. Then for the spices, I have paprika. As your preference, put your paprika, and then your preference black pepper. And then I'm going to add my salt, and also I'm putting 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Another thing that is so important in this food is a Turkish red pepper. I put it as that's not really spicy, so I can put like a tablespoon of it or 1.5 tablespoons, and then mixing them again together. Well mixed now, and I'm going to put it in pot that I have here. Then I'm going to put a pound of ground beef, adding it to it, and then again going to mix it. Okay, our mixture is well mixed. I put it in the refrigerator for half an hour. For the toppings, I use the rest of the parsley, and I don't need to really chopping it. So I'm putting it that one actually, and red onions. Okay, that's my parsley. Now is it time to chop the red onion. Okay. The very last part of this food is my lemon. I have like 3 lemons. Okay, my topping is done. I put it on a side. Okay, half an hour is done. My ingredients is ready. I have this plate here, and then I'm going to put my tortilla in it. This tortilla here, and the only thing that I need to do is just put my 2 tablespoons of meat on the tortilla. Actually, let's add 3 tablespoons. So 3 tablespoons of meat, vegetable and meat. Now I preheated my oven, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. I put it on 400 degree Fahrenheit. I'll put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is done, and our food is ready. Food is ready. It's here. Our Turkish pizza, which is called lahmacun, is ready, and I designed it with red onion, a little bit parsley, and I have my lemon in it, and that's all about it. That's all about it. This is the traditional pizza from Turkey, the country Turkey. and looks so yummy. It's absolutely is yummy. I love this food, and that's a low carb because it has greens, enough greens, it has enough meat, and the bread is the tortilla is obviously was a keto. So let's try it. Okay, the traditional way of eating this is like making like a small lavash bread thing and then eating it. Let's see how it tastes. Lemon and parsley were good. I really love it. I really love it. It is exactly like what I got in Istanbul or Ankara streets or restaurants. It's exactly like that. Tastes exactly like that. And you get it in USA, which not much Turkish food in USA. So that was absolutely great. Okay, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing our channels. Thank you for subscribing our channel because right now we are over 100. We reached to the 100 subscriber, and this is all about you. Thank you. And I will see you next Sunday. And at the very end, just remember, Ketology is on fire!